Good morning, everyone. Today is what, the third day? Third day of Houston, and we're headed to CVS right now. Jenny
Because
needed
a little something happened.
Yeah, she needed something, so we're gonna walk there right now, and then we're gonna head to the Breakfast Club and eat there. So yeah.
Maybe, but dude,
It's hot today.
I'm like half naked, so I'm not good.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Oh my god.
Wait, so where are we turning?
Rush Street. This way. Stop.
I need ice.
Ice.
My forehead's gonna be so dark. Can I borrow your hat?
You were going that first. I think you're right.
Up to you. Look at this, red Kima walk out. Shot. So hot today. That's where I'm gonna get burnt.
On my own. The damn well their food is up their throat right now. Don't drop your phone. Oh, you're vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. It is so hot.
Ooh!
I didn't even go on any rides. Henry and Steven went on all the rides, well, majority of the rides, and we're waiting on them too. So we are just chilling by the water.
You know, it's hot. I know it seems like we're exaggerating, but no,
It's hot.
really hot.
It's like one of the hottest days. This is it. So yeah.
It's so hot that one lady had a heat stroke.
Yeah,
She
it was
fainted and everything.
scary. Okay, yep, that's it. Welcome to Texas, everyone.
Don't throw it up!
I'm not gonna
Look at these birds.
Ready? You have to go to the water.
I have another 25 cents, so hurry up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my goodness! They're gonna attack us.
So scary. Birds are very scary.
They probably don't look really close in the camera, but it's actually really close.
Oh, that was scary. Quick, there's nothing around.
Can you hold this or not?
We gotta go quick before the birds gonna come. We hear it.
Ew, this is dirty.
That's definitely dog food.
This is definitely dog food.
I literally just said that. Go, quick. Throw more.
Oh, wait. Catch.
Throw more.
Oh. Y'all better be careful. They might poop on y'all. Oh, that's cool. Wait a minute, I just... That's a lot. You guys want a Twitter? You have it. You're welcome. You can read this. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys, we're back from the ride.
Yeah, they just got off of the ride. How was the ride?
Fun. We broke our necks like 10 times. We went on that ride.
They're feeding the bird.
Be a brave one.
These birds are scary.
You're not gonna eat it at your leisure.
So we got some seafood boil. We got some snow crab, shrimp, corn, sausage, and what's this? Did I say crawfish? Shrimp, crawfish, snow crab, corn, and sausage. I think I repeated it, but that's what we got. We got 2 bags, and Henry, we got this because he's allergic to this, and we're gonna kill it. Woo!
Woke up on the right side of the bed. What's up with this Prince song inside my head? Hands up if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down tonight. It's always a good time.
Good morning and good night. I wake up at
The 3rd day of Houston trip, and we just cleaned up the mess we had earlier. It's all clean now. So we're just gonna shower and then change, and then go to sleep or hang out a little, and then go to sleep, and then start a new day tomorrow. So bye.